Hi, my name is Julia. In this video, I'll tell you all about SynoGut. Stay until the end and see all the details. First of all, SynoGut is only sold on the official website. Be careful not to buy on another site or place. Avoid buying the pirate product. I will leave the link of the official product site in the description of this video. SynoGut is a potent natural product that helps to restore the digestive system to its optimal state. SynoGut is specifically created for persons who have suffered for many years in vain with all of these digestive system issues. It is an all-natural option that could assist all of these people in having a natural and healthy digestive system. It treats the underlying cause of digestive system issues by supplying substances that are healthy to the digestive system and the entire body in general. Bart, the formula's developer, ensured that its ingredients were gathered from local growers, allowing plants to mature naturally and without the use of chemicals. The developer also ensured the formula's efficiency, who mixed the necessary elements in precise ratios to preserve their qualities. SynoGut can be purchased as a dietary supplement. It just boosts the body's pre-existing functions when used as a supplement. This supplement comes in the form of a capsule and is manufactured following strict safety criteria, ensuring that it is entirely safe to consume. Ingredients in SynoGut's recipe. The recipe contains various natural herbs and minerals that are great for boosting immunity and gut health. The ingredients and their advantages are as follows. 1. Psyllium husk. It is a laxative that promotes an increase in bowel bolus and is used to treat constipation. It absorbs fluid in the intestines, increasing and creating thicker, easier to pass feces. It also helps increase the amount of water in the stool, which softens and makes it easier to pass. Psyllium, a type of bulk-forming laxative, has also been used to treat excessive cholesterol when combined with a balanced diet. 2. Bentonite clay. Bentonite clay in this form has been shown to increase probiotics in the stomach and aid in overall gut healing. It has been used to treat irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, and constipation. Eating it aids in treating internal bacterial infections and removing heavy metals from the body. 3. Black walnut. It has traditionally been used to treat constipation and skin diseases. Its usage for skin disorders such as eczema, herpes, and ringworm is supported by research, and its advantages for gastrointestinal problems are widely documented as well. 4. Flaxseed. Including flaxseed in your diet may increase the number of bowel motions you have each day. It may also induce GI side effects such as bloating, gas, abdominal pain, constipation, diarrhea, stomachache, and nausea. Higher doses are more likely to cause gastrointestinal adverse effects. 5. Prune. It both prevents and treats constipation and other digestive problems. It aids in the reduction of blood cholesterol. They have a favorable influence on bile acid concentrations in the stool, which helps to avoid colon cancer. 6. Aloe vera. It functions as a natural antibacterial. Therefore its gel can be used to treat wounds or burns, as it promotes natural dermal healing. Furthermore, it is an excellent skin rejuvenation ally because it stimulates cell regeneration and moisturizes the skin's deepest layers. The conclusion is that SynoGut is worth it as it is a product made with natural herbs, therefore without risk to health. If you don't like SynoGut, the risk is zero. The product has a 60-day warranty. See you next time.